What's going on, fam? Monty tuning in with another video, and today I'm going to be continuing this series of how to free yourself from the financial stranglehold, whatever you want to call it. All right, fam, so in this video we're going to be talking about one of the best ways to make money online right now. I'm going to give you the full sauce, and this wasn't even the plan, but I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing so you guys can do the same exact thing. Step one, you don't have to do this like exact step, but follow it, you know what I'm saying? So just learn from what I'm doing. So there's this website called Solar Fashions NYC, and Solar Fashions NYC sells wholesale sunglasses for mad cheap. Like you get 12 sunglasses for like $3 each sunglass, $2 each sunglasses. I'm getting these sunglasses from there, and I'm going to sell it on AliExpress, and I'm not AliExpress, Alibaba. And I'm also going to sell it. Yes, I'm putting products on Alibaba to sell. And I'm also going to be selling it on eBay. So I'm basically creating trending sunglasses. And how is it that I'm going to make them trending? Well, I'm going to give them to people to market, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's all about finding people who can promote your product. But what you want to do is find a unique product and post it on eBay or AliExpress. This video is going to be focused on how to make money on eBay, because there's money to be made on eBay. And if you don't think you can make money on eBay, you need to get that out of your mind right now, because if you sell a good product and you just have a good price on it, it's going to sell. Like, every listing gets seen on eBay, trust me. So it's really a numbers game. So for me personally, like, I see what's trending right now. I see what products are trending right now. And I'm trying to sell a product that I can make $50 per sale on. So what I do is I go on AliExpress or Alibaba, but I prefer AliExpress because the shipping on Alibaba is way too expensive for a lot of their products. So I go on to AliExpress, and boom, we're on AliExpress. Now I'm trying to find products that I can buy on AliExpress for about $120, $130, and sell on eBay for about $200 and change. Okay, and so you're gonna have to do some digging in on AliExpress and find a product that is unique. You don't want to sell a product that everyone else is selling on eBay already, because then you're gonna have to deal with competition. So you want a product that makes you unique. What's a product that, is already on eBay, but something that, is different from what's already on eBay? Find what's different. Use some nice words to make it, sound nice, and you're gonna get sales. Trust me, you gotta have some faith, Like, I'll tell you the product that I'm selling. There's this automated cat pet litter box that comes with an app that people are spending like $600, $700 for. I'm getting this product for about $120 on AliExpress, and I'm trying to sell it for about $258. That's going to be the starting price, $258. And we're just going to, bring it down by increments until it gets one sale. Once it gets one sale, it can get 1 million sales. And that applies to anything in life. If you have something and one person wants it, 1 million people can want it. All right, so I just posted this product early this morning, like 4 o'clock in the morning, because I did not sleep last night. I got 2 hours and then overslept for a business meeting. Lit, Yeah, when you learn how to utilize this digital marketing stuff, it really turns you into an asset, because this is what's not going anywhere for a very long time. So if you want to be successful, you need to make yourself an asset and be on top of the wave. And digital marketing, using stores like eBay, websites like eBay, AliExpress, this is what's going to put you on top of the crowd, and turn you into an asset, And then other people are going to need what you're good at. So now you're going to make other companies rich as well. But guys, just to stay on track here, all you're going to do is go on eBay, go on AliExpress, find a product for about $100, $110, and make sure it's a somewhat unique product. Like my product is still in the niche of cat litter filters or cat litter boxes, whatever you want to call it, but it's unique. So find a unique product, throw it on eBay, and find actually about 15 products that throw on eBay. One of them is going to sell. Now, when one of them sells, eBay is kind of greedy. They take a lot of money. I wouldn't say greedy, it's just they don't have an efficient way of running their store. So their commission when you get a sale is like 15% off. So you're going to have a pretty good markup if you want to make profit. So yep, you're going to find your listing, that's when you want to get back to the house. Like, I'm taking the time out of my day to make these videos for you guys and put you guys on game. But I could really be on eBay putting up products right now. And it's Saturday. It's the best day of the week for people spending money. So with that being said, I'm losing out. So I want you guys to know that there's value in this video. Please drop a like. Make sure you're supporting the boy. Appreciating the time. Yeah, guys. I guess I'm also going to compound this video and talk about the last way that you can really make money online and free yourself. And it is called faceless niche YouTube channels. Now, there's plenty of different faceless niche YouTube channels. The one I stumbled across yesterday is called, it's just, forget what it's called. It's basically what they do is they make videos of people crashing every day, like car accidents. So it's got to have be something that you have passion in. And why I chose car accidents to follow with this is because I want to teach people like not to be, bad, dumb drivers on the road. So posting compilations is obviously going to bring up people's awareness. So that's what I'm doing. And this niche on YouTube is getting so many views. Like, I'm talking like in 1 year of posting, we're talking like 144,000 subscribers easily, because it's a very undersaturated niche. So that's the niche that I'm in. I know you've probably seen people selling their courses on how to, do faceless channels. Well, I'm just giving you the game without the course. All right. So, if you're watching this video, I respect you. So I'm just going to give you free game because it's a team, fam. Like, if you made it this far, you won. So I told you what I'm doing. You can literally also make those same exact kind of videos if you want to. Or you can make, pet compilation videos. Basically, if you want to find a faceless channel that works, what you're going to do is you're going to go on YouTube and you're going to type in compilation. And whatever videos pop up, whatever videos pop up, I'm in Long Island and I live right by a highway, so there's always sounds of people racing all the time. Like, if you imagine, a plane. If you imagine Need for Speed Underground, like the racing map, how there's always street racers driving around, that's literally how it is where I live. It's pretty dope. Y'all should move out here. It's safe. There's a lot of culture. It's lit out here. So staying, super focused. We are talking about, what are we talking about? Oh yeah, the faceless animation or automation channel. Pretty big words got me stuttering. Yeah, y'all, it's pretty simple. Just go on YouTube, type in the word compilation, and basically I know if I do this for 1 year consistently, I'm gonna be rich. You know what I'm saying? If I do what I was talking about, the eBay, what I was talking about in my previous video, the TikTok, and even though it's being taken down, it's all right. It's going to be another TikTok. Like, once it's up one time, you can't take it down. You know what I'm saying? Because people are just going to copy it and copy it and copy it. So, yeah, guys, eBay, if I do this for a year, posting products on eBay, oh my gosh. And then this YouTube channel and utilizing TikTok as much as I can, by 2025, I'm chilling. Like, I'm gonna have passive income because I've been doing TikTok shop for about 2 weeks. I made a couple $100, but now I'm actually making moves where I'm sending my products to creators that are making thousands of dollars a week. And you can do it too, because the people that are receiving my product never saw my face. They just see a product that's selling and they want to make some money too. So that's it on this one, fam. Give you guys a lot of knowledge, a lot of new frequencies, a lot of new energy that you can do with it what you want to. Yeah. That's how we're vibing out today. All right, y'all. Peace out. Make sure you drop a sub if you gain some knowledge, because this is not going to be my last video. It's not going to be my last time teaching you guys something that is useful. I only teach the best stuff. So with that being said, peace out, fam. And yeah, stay up, y'all. I know it's hard. Peace.